Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing the AMACOOL, the #1 bestseller for the baby stroller fans on Amazon. I haven't tried any of the other fans, but I will say that this is a really good fan. So let's go over some of the features and what came in the box and how the settings work. So this is how it comes in the package inside of the Amazon box, unless you want it in this box. So here's the description. It's ultra quiet, strong wind, long battery life, night light. So this is how you can make it stand up as well. And then this is how you can hook it on your stroller, which I will do a video with my even flow pivot stroller. So this right here, you guys know how I am about manuals, but if you need a manual, there it is right there. There's also, it comes with this charging cord so that you can recharge the fan because it is rechargeable as opposed to battery, which I think is better if you have that option. So you don't have to worry about constantly making sure that you have batteries. And there's also their business cards, email address, and things along that line. So this is the actual AMACOOL fan that came inside of the box. It was folded up inside the box. And I'm just gonna unfold it. You can have it straight like this. It's very flexible. These are very flexy bottom pieces. So this fan, you see, as you can see right here, you can move this back and forth. It does make noise moving it back and forth. Not sure if that's okay with you, but if not, it does make that noise. And it's very simple. Back here, there's one thing that says fan, the other says LED. So obviously, as you know from the manual, LED is the light. That's how the LED looks. This can be on at the same time as the fan, in case you wanted to know. They both can be on. So let's start with the lowest setting of the fan. It's really breezy, it's nice, and even on the lowest setting, it feels so good. The light can be dimmed. As you can see, I just pressed it down one. This is pressing it down a third time. It's really low. And this is turning it off. So it does have 3 different light settings. This is the fan. This is the lowest setting. We're picking it up a notch. Even right here, it feels so cool. I used this outside. It was amazing. I actually wanted to buy one for myself, and I may just do that. And this is the highest setting. And then there's off. So the fan also has 3 different levels. The light also has 3 different levels. So each has their own level. But I will say this is a very strong fan. It stands up pretty tall. And you can hook it to just about anything. Whether it's not the stroller, whether it's the baby's car seat, anything along that nature. It does work very, very well, and I would recommend. So if you're considering getting a fan on Amazon, you will also see on Amazon that it is rated #1 for baby stroller fans. This is just some features about it, how it works, and nothing really to set up, but I would say that it is worth the purchase. So it runs about $20-something, I believe, like $23, $24, and it does have, if you have Prime, you can get it sooner, depending on what's available in stock. If you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below in the comments which baby fan that you have or any questions that you might have. Thank you for tuning in.